Unbelievable.
My apologies, I didn't mean to come off like that.
I think you should pack your stuff and go.
All I said was, I don't want you to deny yourself. If that's what you want.
You did it in a sneaky way. There's nothing to hide here.
a
Everyone's transparent. That's part of our MODs. Isn't it? But you keep breaking those things, don't you? You don't live by our code and our policies. You live by what you want to do. Since you can't do it, I'll do it. If you want to go with her, you can go. It's up to you.
Yeah, you talking to Jane on. What's Jane on?
That wasn't my intention.
You're not holding up the policies. You're going to make us look bad. You're not strong enough for carbonation at all. You can't. Period. This is for the elite. It's an elite group of people. You're not holding up the policies. Period. We're not tolerating it. What was that? You lack discipline.
Okay.
For authority. So that gets you in battle. It's unbelievable because carbonation feeds you. It shelters you. You don't bite the hand that feeds you.
I'm not biting your hand.
Whose hand? You don't see how you're doing that?
You disrespecting what you're doing through your actions. That's, you might as well.
She doesn't think she is, so she continues to do it. She thinks she's right for what she's doing. And she thinks that she is in herself. She thinks, I said it to him because I wanted to tell it to him. Who's him?
We over here putting.
Since when do we
everything on
keep
the table.
secrets?
Right, that was wrong with me to do.
It's wrong for you to cry.
Right.
That was one of those things you would take.
You lack discipline.
Yeah.
What are we feeding you?
She just literally tried to manipulate me into feeling a certain type of way. That's that emotional
That's all I was
shit.
talking
I know exactly what she did. You're not.
You didn't recognize it when she did.
That's why I looked at her. I'm like, I did. I know she did because I know what she said. I'm like, oh, that's coming from your hurt. I do this all the time. I know what this is.
Then how can you say?
You didn't hear what she said.
No, but I already know the energy for her, what she's doing, because there's something. She'll say things to you to make you think a lower perspective. I'm like, hold on, no, you're not gonna do that to me. You can't do that to me. I'm immune to that. This isn't.
So how can you be in love with that?
Right here, it was secret.
How can you be in love
I'm
with
not
that?
in love with that. That's Jay. Me and Jay ain't cool.
That's okay.
That's issues.
That's okay.
Mm.
It is what it is. Jay shouldn't even be existing.
No.
Jay should be. There should be a funeral for Jay.
Yeah. Jay got to leave. Yeah.
She makes what we do look like a joke.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And she still doesn't feel like she does.
It's true.
She doesn't see her faults
You
in
just
this
said it. I
moment.
said, okay, let's.
No, that doesn't mean that you understand it.
Still in resistance.
Doesn't mean you understand it.
No, I definitely see. I can see myself, how I'm acting, how I'm doing things on the side. Like, okay, I'm being manipulated.
Even that step back you did earlier. You speak without your mouth. You still try to get
I've
so
never
much
seen it
across.
this potent, ever. This blatant disrespect. I've never seen.
Catalyst.
I've never seen. She's been in my presence. She was here. So one time I seen it.
this is a catalyst right here. Because I don't even get it like this is ridiculous. She recovers way faster than this. This is a catalyst.
She would end up gone anywhere. In the polygamous relationship, she would end up gone. And guess who else would end up gone after a while? What do I know?
Who, you mean me? Oh, I'm like, oh no. I'm
Because
dying.
you're not paying attention to what I'm saying.
I know. I thought that for a second when you looked and you said, I'm like, man, I know you ain't talking about me. Mm-mm. I'm paying attention. I follow.